Hey beauties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you guys a couple of sales that I picked up. The first sale that I picked up was at Sigma. I got a brush case with brushes, and this is called the Premium Professional Kit. This one I believe retails for $219, and I got it around, I would say $81 with taxes and stuff. So I got a really good deal. Their brushes are cruelty free, and they're one of my top favorite brush line just because they're like so good. They're sturdy, they last a long time. Let me go ahead and show you guys how it looks. This case seems like it's not flimsy at all. It seems nice, and it comes with a total of 15 brushes, I believe. So here's some, and then there's more on this side, and we just go into detail with the brushes with you guys. So on this side we have our face brushes, which is the F20, a large powder brush. We also have the F25, a tapered face brush, and a F10 powder blush brush. And like I said, the bristles feel very soft, nice quality. On the other side we have our flat definer brush in the number E15. We also have our short shader brush in E20. Small eyeliner brush E10, and it is very small and precise, very good for detailing. And then it has this cute like retractable kind of lip brush. You put it on the other side. This is the L05. And then we're gonna go into the blending brushes. We got a small tapered blending brush E45. This one, it looks like it's going to be one of my favorites. It's the blending brush in E25. And then tapered blending brush in E35. We also got a concealer brush. This is the F75. We have a large concealer brush in F65. And then a tapered highlighter and F35. This seems pretty as well. And a large fluff brush, an E50. And that's how that one looks. And last but not least, I think this is gonna be one of my favorites. I'm like so in love with the dual fiber brushes. It's gonna be F15 for this one. So that is all the brushes that come in this kit. Now I'm going to show you guys just a couple more things. It's another sale that I got with the KKW, and it comes with 2 glosses and a lipstick, and it's from the collection with Kim and Mario. I know a lot of you seen it. I already have one of these, but the sale was really good. I believe it was like $69 for the bundle, and it was like an extra some percent off. I don't remember how much, but it was a really good deal. And here are the colors if you guys haven't yet seen it, which I'm sure you guys have. And then it comes with the gloss Juicy. Let me swatch it again. I swatched them earlier, but let me see. So this is Juicy. It's really pretty. Right now I'm wearing the lipstick and the gloss, and this is the lipstick Classic K. I always tell you guys I'm so bad at swatching, and I am. I need to take classes on swatching. And then last but not least, it's Super Nude. And this one you're not gonna be able to tell. It's just mostly like a topper. But yeah, there they are. And I love them because they're not like sticky whatsoever. Alright guys, so that concludes my mini sale haul. Guys, if you guys would like to see more, just comment down below and I'll keep them coming for you guys. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.